Hello everyone, attention accounting students. Let's take a look at this simple examination question. Company Z bought goods worth 50 million naira on credit from Company X. Few days later, Company Z returned goods worth 1 million naira to Company X due to damages. Which of the following accounting entries in the books of Company Z are correct? Option A, debit sales account and credit purchase account, all with the sum of 50 million naira. Debit purchase return account and credit Company S account, all with the sum of 1 million naira. Or option B, debit purchase account and credit Company X account, all with 50 million naira. Debit Company S account and credit purchase account, all with 1 million naira. Which one is correct? Option B is the correct answer. For more on step-by-step approach to examination questions like this, hit the link to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in class.